The next standard is graphing linear equations. And first we need to kind of review how to graph points. It's pretty easy. Got an XY table here. When x is 0, y is negative 5. When x is 1, y is negative 7. When x is 2, y is negative 9. Now, this first thing I'm going to do is optional. You don't have to do it if you already know. Okay, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. That's an important thing. Now, the x, we go 0, 1, 2. So the 0's in the middle. Then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Negative 1, negative 2. You do not have to number this if you already know. And I'm not going to do this on every problem. Okay. Then the y, same thing. Up is positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. By the way, these are the positives on the x. These are the negatives. On the y-axis, positives are up, negatives are down. Okay, so if x is 0, 0 on the x is right here, y is negative 5. So then I go to negative 5 on the y, and that's my point. Okay. So I circle it, and then I put 0, comma, negative 5. All right, 1, negative 7. So I go to 1, 1 on the x-axis, down to 7. So over to 1 on the x, and then down 7. And we label that point 1, comma, negative 7. All right, and then 2, negative 9. So I go to 2, right here. Then negative 9's all the way down here. And that's 2, comma, negative 9. Okay, and that's basically how you graph points. All right, now the next problem. I'm going to not do, you can number them if you want, if it helps. If not, that's fine. So x is 0. So 0 on the x is in the middle, but then if y is 3.5, we need to, it's positive, we go up. Remember, this is the x, this is the y. So you stay in the middle, then you go up 3.5. So 1, 2, 3, and then 3.5's right there. Okay, x is 1, y is 4. So I go to 1 on the x, then to 4 on the y. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 on the y. I'm going to abbreviate these. So 1, comma, 3.5, or 0, 3.5, sorry. Then 1, 4. Okay, and then we have to graph 2, 4.5. So I go to 2 on the x-axis, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, then 4.5 on the y. Okay, and that's 2, comma, 4.5. Okay, so there's the points. All right, then on the back side, x is 1, y is 3. So I go to 1 on the x-axis, positive 1s. Remember, the positives are right, negatives are left, 0's in the middle of the x. So x is 1, y is 3. So I go to 1, and then 1, 2, 3. So I go 1, comma, 3. Okay, 0, 2. So 0 on the x is in the middle, and then 2 on the y-axis is up 2. So 0, comma, 2. Okay, negative 4, 2. So negative 4 on the x is this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 2. Okay, negative 5, negative 4. So I go to negative 5 on the x. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I go down on the y to 1, 2, 3, 4. You should already know how to do this, but I'm not leaving anything to chance. Okay, then 6, 0. So I go the 6 on the x, it'd be sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 0 on the y would be just staying right here. Okay, so 6, 0. All right, then 14. Now you can only make it, if you count by 1 unit, you can only go by ones. So these are the x, these are the y's. So since I have numbers for the x's in the double digits and the same with the y's, I need to number by 2s. So on the x, I need to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18 at the end. And then we go negative, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8, negative 10, negative 12, negative 14, negative 16. And the same on the y. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. I actually get up to 20. And then on the negatives, you go negative 2 right there, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8, negative 10, negative 12. I'm not doing this on every problem, okay? Just so you can see it on these. So 14, 10. So I go to 14 on the x, which is here. Then I go where 10's at on the y, and that's 14, 10. Negative 8, negative 6. So I go to negative 8 on the x, negative 6 on the y would be down here. You should have learned this a long time ago. 5, negative 12. So I go to 5, that's between 4 and 6, then down 12. So down 12. So 5, negative 12. Okay, and then 11, negative 16. So I go to between 10 and 12, and then negative 16 is down here. That's 11, negative 16. Okay, and that's how you graph coordinate points, but you probably learned that a long time ago.